Today I'm going to show you how to set up buttons in Notion. Setting up buttons is really quick and easy in Notion. What you want to do is go into any one of your pages, any one of your documents in your team space, and what you want to do is just click down where you would like to add your button. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to hit the slash and you are going to look for a button. You can either type it in or you can just look for it. You'll find it right over there. Now, once you've added it in, you can go ahead and add a button name. So let's name it adding or add new goal, and this will happen when the button is clicked. And what will it do? We're going to click on new action, and here we are going to add page 2, and we can now select our data source. And seeing that we're adding a new goal, we are going to add it to the goal tracker. The goal name will be the goal name can be whatever it is that you would like to add in there. You can also edit this property, so you can change the owner status, due date, priority, or team member there. And then you can add an additional action as well. So if you'd like to maybe send notification to, and then you can select who you'll actually have this sent to, and you can send this message and you can say, I have added a new goal, and there we are, right? And then once you're done, you can say done, and here is an add new goal button. So now when it's clicked, let's test it. You'll automatically have one page created. Let's open that page in new goal. You can obviously just rename that, whatever goal it is, or however you need to rename it. You can see all of the properties that we added in there and all of the details.